on the nature channel. We have a bird with whiskers. These are very commonly rare, but they do want food. So we may have, give him one bit of food. He might like that. He might come close.
No, not these.
No.
Wait, pardon?
We're Jewy bastards.
Here.
Go.
Oh, sorry.
Here on the nature channel. Chew a bit off, and then give it to him. Yep, the rest. No, don't do. Which one's bigger? I don't know. Oh my god! Caught on the phone.
Well, he passed it back to me.
No! Oh, you puss!
Oh, he like passed it back to me.
Yeah, he's like, nah, you can have it, mate.
Wait, where's that one?
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, I gotta. Let's see if he's any good. Oh, he sucks. Oh, that's so good.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful! Great ball.